Hey babe, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, this is an install video and we're gonna get right into this Silkwave unit that I had. Y'all, this has been in my closet, that's why I look like this, but I promise it's good hair. So let's get right into this video. Step 1 to bringing this wig back to life is going to be the silicone treatment, and this right here is going to bring that wig back to life, y'all. If y'all have a wig that been sitting, use this brand Avanti, and I promise y'all it's gonna have your wig looking like brand new. And I just used about 5 scoops of this. I put 3 in first and went back with 2 later. So, yeah, I know how to count. Alright, I'm going to put my wig in. I let this sit for about 30 minutes, y'all. Honestly, the longer the better. Yeah, and afterwards, I combed it out and conditioned it and stuff afterwards. And make sure y'all use your comb, put it in there, because I forgot the water was out for a second. I did detangle and let this wig air dry for camera and went ahead and did her ball cap method with some Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Perfect. It was perfect. Right now, you see me going in with some mousse. I'm combing back all of those extra hairs and combing out her baby hairs. That way when I melt it down, she won't have any mess, like wrong hairs in the wrong spots. Y'all, this is the key to a clean install. I'm telling y'all want to do this. This part 2 is very important. Y'all want to make sure y'all wigs are even on both sides. Like, make sure your wig is placed correctly. Make sure it's not too far down to your eyebrows. Make sure it's not up too high on one side. Make sure it's perfect. And right here, I'm just cutting off the extra ball cap that's sticking out underneath the lace to get it real flat. And I did use Ghost Bond for this install, 1 layer. And I didn't go in with no markings to show where I was going to put the glue or where I thought the glue was going to go. I'm just simply outlining it from where the lace was placed, and I just pulled it back just a teeny bit. So once this layer of glue is clear, I'm going in and I'm just pressing it down. Like I said, I only did 1 layer of glue. And me personally, I like using the popsicle sticks for my installs to lay down the glue because it keeps my rat tail combs from getting sticky and it keeps it real thin. You know, the key to a good install is a clean install. Once your glue is all clear and your lace is laid, it is now time for the melting. Right here, I'm just going in with some spritz. I prefer spritz over Got2b. Yeah, it just works better. And I'm just going in and pulling out the baby hairs and brushing everything back. This part right here is very important. You cannot do a lace and not use the band method. Like, y'all have to get into it. So right now, I'm just tying this on really, really tight so it can melt to her skin. And we're going to go ahead and style the hair. And the style that we're going with today, she just wanted to do like a little 2 swoops in the front. We wasn't going to do the half up, half down viral hairstyle, but she ended up deciding to change her mind. So right here, you see me separating the frontal from the actual unit. But before I decide to slick this down, I'm going back on the hairline and basically just combing everything back and laying it down with this Edge Booster wax stick. Works perfectly with a hot comb. I did do that off camera, y'all. So now let's get into the tea, the baby hairs. Since this was a reinstall, the baby hairs are already cut for this unit, so it's going to be really, really easy. All you see me doing right here is just flipping the baby hairs backwards with the little flat ironers. Y'all, please be careful with this, because look at Jasmine's face when I flat iron the side piece. Like, please be careful. Like, the side eye was vicious. And next, I'm just going to go in with some of this Lotta Body Mousse. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just, right here, I'm just molding my edges to see how I want them to lay. And just getting the perfect swoop for them. This part is real fast, but I did grab some spritz, and that's going to hold it down and keep them like real fluffy. I put them at the root of the baby hair so it won't you know, have the baby hair sticking to the faces. I like a soft baby hair look. Now you finna just see me correcting all my mistakes. I'm getting some mousse and I'm putting some mousse up there. That's what's gonna give it that nice shine. I'm taking my scissors and I'm going back and I'm fixing all my mistakes, y'all. Just fixing all the stuff up, like some makeup on the legs, you know, getting her good. Then take that spritz again and put some on like a edge of a rat tail comb. And I'm just, you know, making sure that her lace is blending into her skin really, really good. And as y'all can see, that little swoop right here, that shit was giving me a hard way to go, y'all. Ooh. This is there again. Fucking 8, bitch. Now I'm just putting some of this makeup that I put on her ball cap and on her lace on her middle part. And I'm just cleaning it up, make sure that, you know, it's matching her skin tone really good. And then afterwards, y'all gonna see me spray some of this black dye. And that's what's gonna make her part extra crispy. You put the comb in the middle and you spray it. Y'all, this is the best thing ever. Like, alright. Can we get like a cute video real quick? Can we get up the camera? Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Book this look at Crown by Jody. Follow my socials. Stay connected. Love y'all.